Let's see how technology can assist us in performing some of the math so we can focus on using the results in our decision-making processes. One of the core topics in managerial accounting concerns the interrelationships of revenue, costs, and profits. Your textbook provides several algebraic formulas that address these interrelationships, but we will use a tool that will allow us to immediately see what happens to profits as we change data related to revenue or costs. The tool is called the CVP Interactive Model. CVP stands for Cost, Volume, Profit. The model uses an electronic spreadsheet and contains two sections. The first section describes how the model works. Essentially, it uses the formulas you read about in your text, but here you can instantly see the results in the spreadsheet. The second section allows you to play with the model, entering different numbers related to revenue or cost. Let's try it. Let's use a catering business. Mary owns a catering business and we want to hire her to cater a party for us. Mary usually charges $30 per guest serving, and we will have 250 guests attending our event. Mary estimates that it costs her about $23 per guest for the food and her waitstaff. She also has some fixed costs related to each event, like the delivery truck and serving equipment and some insurance. The total she estimates to be about $250 per event. By using the CVP model, we can plug in the revenue per guest of $30, the number of guests and the cost per guest, as well as the fixed cost of $250. Our number of guests were 250, and our cost per guest was 23. And our fixed expenses for this event were estimated at $250. We can see that Mary would make approximately $1,500 or a 20% profit margin on this event given those rates. However, let's see what happens if we change the information. We have another caterer who has approached us and said they will do the event at $25 per guest. Well, let's change it from 30 to 25 and see what happens. In this case, Mary would only make $250 for the entire event, just about double of what her fixed cost would be for the event. That's a pretty slim margin. She's only making 4% on this one. Well, in this case, we can see that Mary now has some information that she can use to make better decisions in running her business. Hope this is helpful in you in understanding the relationships between cost and volume and what impact that has on profit.